Alright, today we will unbox the Matsuda M2033 round eyeglasses. As usual, they come with cleaning cloth. It says Matsuda on it. And this is the leather magnetic closure case. Matsuda logo right there, and this is the glasses. It's in the burgundy or dirty red or Bordeaux colorway. Pure titanium, stainless steel, temples. It's engraved, hand lacquered, Japanese acetate, front frames. Beautiful. 47mm frame, made in Japan. BDR, that's the color code for BOR, sorry. Bordeaux M2033. There's a Matsuda engraved logo there. And there's a detail of the eyeglasses. The anti-reflective coating. Let me know what you think. Retail price is about $500 plus tax becomes $550 for the California tax, but yeah, there you have it. The Matsuda M2033 round Bordeaux eyeglasses.